Hello! Today we are going to talk to you about a very exciting animal. Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken.
Chickens are one of the most common animals raised around the world. You can usually see them in villages, farms, or even in some backyards. Chickens are birds, but unlike most birds, they cannot fly far. They can only flap their wings and jump short distances, so they spend most of their time walking around on the ground. Their bodies are covered in soft feathers that keep them warm. There are many different kinds of chickens. Some are white, some are brown, and others are black. Some chickens have feathers in many colors, which makes them look extra cute. One of the most important things about chickens is that they lay eggs. Female chickens, called hens, can lay about 1 egg a day. Eggs are full of protein and are very healthy for people. Eggshells can be white or brown, but the inside is always the same. Chickens like to peck at the ground looking for bugs, worms, seeds, and green plants. They also enjoy eating grains like wheat, corn, and barley. It's very important for chickens to drink clean water every day, or they might get sick. Chickens live in groups and don't like being alone. They talk to each other using sounds like cluck cluck and bok bok. Chickens also have feelings. They are happy when they feel safe, and they get scared when they sense danger. Some mother hens are very brave and will protect their chicks with all their strength. Chickens don't just give us eggs, they also help keep gardens clean by eating harmful bugs. Some people also raise chickens for their meat. That means chickens are helpful in many different ways. Baby chickens are called chicks. They are tiny, fluffy, and often yellow. As they grow up, their feathers change color. Mother hens take great care of their chicks, keeping them warm under their wings and watching over them.